Sorry. Thank you for this sexy girl porn with the butt.
Yes, Andy. Now this is the last chance to do this ejaculate semen.
Wow, I think that house is really nice for forever.
Yep, Mr. Baldo. Let's get the house we destroy in our houses. Time to arrange for every information this house will be destroyed. Let's kill it. Yes, let's rage up from the house.
Yes, she is dancing about to be a Nuki gummy bear. What the hell are you in the house?
Yes, we are the Blasted Brothers Army. Now we are going to reach up to not devise us to information. Now,
Get out my party. If you
get out my
party, I
will call the police.
police.
Now,
Get out my party.
now.
Us.
So yeah.
Ouch! Ouch!
Ow.
Thank
You, Julie.
Leon. You saved me.
Me. Yes, we finally did. It was cold already. Everybody,
We hope
we like it this.
good.
Bye everybody.
We hope
We like it.
so.
Thank you so much. Very good because
For
must be.
maybe how like the poor was looked by a villain.